Hi, this is Nick with another quick tech tip on how to print with a specific nozzle. The left nozzle is the default nozzle for all the ideaMaker templates. To print with only the right extruder, select the model using the View tool and change the extruder to right extruder. In the advanced template settings, enable the right extruder configuration, set the infill to right extruder, set the support to right extruder, and set the platform additions to right extruder. Make sure that the wipe wall and wipe tar boxes are unchecked. After all these settings, you're good to print with the right hot end. If you'd like to learn more about setting up prints in ideaMaker, check out our ideaMaker Basics video or the ideaMaker guide on our website.